Hi, welcome back to Investor Insights, and in this video I'd like to answer a very simple question, that being, are professional investors or traders just a whole big bunch of gamblers? And the answer is no. A genuine professional trader, a genuine professional investor does not deal in gambling. We know exactly what we're doing. We do a lot of our research. We don't follow other lemmings into speculation. We don't risk our capital too much, that is. We place stops on our trades. We take profits when we see them. We basically make a living out of it. That's what makes the term professional trader or investor. You have to excuse the noise. There's a lot of construction going on at surface. I don't see the point of even going to a casino. That's how much my appetite for gambling is. There just isn't one. I would rather spend my time catching up on news, company news, economic news, listening to people actually in the know, and getting insights from other people, other traders, other investors. And rather than just jumping in blindly into a position, a lot of factors are taken into consideration. I've made many videos on this. It's not just a matter of looking at PEs, PEGs, looking at the technicals, looking at the dividend yields. There's a lot of factors. But to me, the most important factor is, what am I going to get out of it? Because in this investment environment, I don't see the point of holding on to anything for any length of time. I like to get in and get out. And a lot of people might interpret that as gambling. But it isn't. Because my sole focus is to generate profits. And that's basically my income. I don't treat it as a game. I don't find it funny. I don't treat it as a joke. It's not amusing. It's not just a hobby. It's a livelihood. So I take offense to people who judge professional traders and investors as gamblers. Because not a single one of us wants to lose our money. And if we did, then we'd be speculators. Now they are a bunch of gamblers. Whenever you speculate, you're jumping into something that you don't really understand in the hope that it's going to come good for you. The whole point of speculating is just gambling. Now that, I totally agree with people who are a bit skeptical and want to call us gamblers. Yes, call the speculators a whole bunch of lemming gamblers. But most speculators end up at the same place, the lemmings graveyard. They all get crushed, they all get squashed, and the market annihilates them eventually. The market is not judgmental, and it always catches up with fundamentals. So therefore, we see value when we hunt for stocks. We look for dividends. Dividends is more as a safety net. We get paid to wait whilst we hold on to the position. And if we're trading, we look for a nice clean exit. We keep tight stops, and we have realistic targets. What part of that is gambling? I don't see any aspect of what I do or any professional trader or investor does as gambling. So if you have a little bit of money to spare and in your free time you like to place a couple of trades, make a buck here or there, but you're not doing your research, you're just listening to other lemmings, you're gambling. When everything I make comes from my investment decisions, that's not gambling. I just wanted to clarify that.